Book of Heaven, Volume 12, October 20th, 1917. How the Soul Can Make of Herself a Host for Love of Jesus. Having received my Jesus, I was thinking of how I could render love for love, and I found it impossible for me to be able to restrict myself, make myself smaller, as Jesus does in the host for love of me. This is not in my power, as it is in the power of Jesus. And my beloved Jesus told me,
"My daughter, if you cannot restrict all of yourself within the small circle of a host for love of me, you can very well restrict all of yourself within my will, to be able to form the host of yourself in my will. For each act you do in my will, you will make a host for me, and I will feed myself of you, as you of me. What forms the host? My life in it. And what is my will? Is it not the whole of my life? So you too can make of yourself a host for love of me. The more acts you do in my will, the more hosts you will form to render me love for love.